Starting the 2010 Tuscaloosa Air Show as we get ready to again turn control over here momentarily to the Blue Angels.
Pounds of fuel, 35,000 pounds of equipment, and a specialized support and maintenance team of 47 personnel. Ladies and gentlemen, with the stars and stripes flying proudly above the cockpit, the Blue Angels C-130. The Blue Angels have had the unique privilege of demonstrating to the American public the precision techniques of naval aviation, hoping to inspire